So I'm Mark Sogge, Pacific Regional Director. I work in Sacramento. Well, innovation to me is what happens when someone stops for a moment from what they're doing in the day-to-day and says, wow, wouldn't it be great if, and whether that be if we could do something in a new way, if we could answer a question that we couldn't answer before, or if we had some sort of a technology to bring us answers and to solve problems for us that we couldn't before. Well, right now we are the nation's premier earth science organization. The only way that we're going to stay there is to continue to be innovative. And that's not even taking into account that we're looking at more complex questions that come our way. We are looking at fiscal funding challenges many times. So we've got to be very good at what we do. We've got to be cutting edge. We've got to be innovative. And that doesn't just go for science. That goes for science support, for operations, and all of those things. We really have to be innovative and nimble to adapt to what's really a very changing environment. I think leadership has to do a couple of things. One, we've got to, wherever we can, remove barriers to innovation. People have to be recognized for being innovative. People have to see ways that innovation improves their world or improves their processes or improves the science. And then we've got to just keep reminding people that it's okay to innovate, because to innovate, you've got to do a couple things. For innovation to happen, you have to go from that idea of saying, wouldn't it be great if, to actually embarking on that journey to try to make it happen. You've got to be able to go into that knowing that it might fail and to be comfortable with that, but we can even learn from our failures. But the other is that we've got to feel comfortable that our organization, our leaders know that they're willing to support you even if something that you're trying doesn't work. Plus it takes persistence. You've got to be willing to not stop at the first hurdle. From a scientific standpoint, innovation difficulty might be technology. At another end, it might be getting out and having a way to collect the data. It might be a difficulty in bringing partnerships together. A lot of times I think some of our innovation is hindered by just the fact that we've always done it this way. And it's hard sometimes to stop and think, maybe there's another way to do it. Not just a little bit of a tweak, but something revolutionary. And I think even sometimes we hesitate to think about true innovation because we don't see a way for it to happen. So why spend time thinking about it? Well, I think when we talk about innovation, especially in USGS, we have to start off with recognizing innovation really does occur all around us. I see that as a regional director from the science that we're doing. I see it in science center visits where I'm talking to people about the way that they've done a new process, or even the way that we are now trying to hire people in new and creative ways, all of those things. So it's really happening. What we want to do is encourage it even more. We want to help facilitate it. And we want to celebrate our victories in innovation. And importantly, we want to learn from those attempts that don't work. Because innovation and failure in innovation is only truly a failure if you don't learn from it.